Begin by placing the back piece into the chair assembly as shown. Make sure the ends are flush with the sides of the chair. Push down on the bottom of the back assembly as you pull it back on the top. If done correctly, the bottom board of the back piece will sit underneath the slats of the seat. Insert one 2.5-inch screw through the top of the back support into the back left leg. For quicker assembly, you can use a drill and 4mm hex bit in place of the provided 4mm T-handle hex key. Insert one 2.5-inch screw through the side of the seat into the bottom of the back assembly. Repeat this step to secure the right side of the chair. Use two 3-inch screws to attach the arms of the chair to the back support. If you have any questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.